In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change font in Microsoft Planner. First, it is important to set expectations. As of early 2024, Microsoft Planner does not include a built-in option to change the font family, font size, or font color for task titles or notes. Planner uses a consistent, standardized look across the app. So instead of changing fonts directly, you will be using a simple workaround that makes text appear different by using special characters. Start by opening Microsoft Planner in your web browser and go to your plan board. Once you are on the board, find the column where you want to add a new item and click Add Task. In the Task Title field, you will type a short word you want to stand out, such as highlight. This is the text you will convert into a different style. Next, select the word you just typed so it is highlighted. This is useful because you are about to replace it with a styled version. Now open a separate browser tab and go to an online bold text generator tool. In the generator, you will see an input area where you can type the same word, highlight, into the generator. As you type, the tool will create a bold-looking version using Unicode characters. Copy the converted bold version from the output area. When you copy, make sure you are copying the styled result, not the plain text you typed. Go back to your Microsoft Planner tab. Click into the task title again. Select the original word if it is still there, and paste the bold-looking version you copied. This will not truly change Planner's font, but it will display as a different text style because the characters themselves are different. To finish, click Add Task again to save and create the task with your styled title. After the task is added, you should see the new task on the board with the bold-looking text in the title. As a quick tip, not every device or app displays every Unicode style perfectly, so keep the title short and easy to read. Also, if the text looks inconsistent later, you can replace it the same way by copying and pasting a cleaner version. And that is all there is to it.